Welcome to all. Today we shall read genitive form of noun. Okay? Genitive form of noun. Okay. It helps for the school students and for the students who are appearing competitive examinations. Very important. So, firstly, what is genitive form of noun? It is also known as possessive form of noun. When a noun refers possession on another noun, at that time it creates possessive form or genitive form. Okay, so genitive form refers three things. That is ownership, possession, relationship. Okay. So it refers to things: ownership, possession, and relationship. For example, king's crown. Namita's pen. Children's playground. Okay, playground. So king's crown. Here, kings is the genitive form of king. Okay. Here kings clone. Here kings is the genitive form of a king. Nomita's pen. Nomitas is the genitive form of a nomita. Okay. Nomitas is the genitive form of nomita. Okay. Similarly, plural number. Singular number, plural number. Children's playground. So children's are the genitive form of a children. Children's and the genitive form of a children. Okay. Plural number. Then comes types of a genitive form. Two types. That is S genitive and of genitive. Okay, two types. S genitive. It refers living beings, persons, or animals. Okay. It refers persons or animals. For example, mother's birthday. Okay. Uncle's house. The parents' cage. Lion's den. So, S genitive refers living beings. Persons, mother's birthday, uncle's house, animals, the parrot's cage, the lion's den. Then, of genitive. Of genitive refers non-living things. Okay? Non-living things. For example, the wall's color. It is wrong. It is wrong. Because non-living wall. So, the color of the wall. It is correct. Of genitive. Another example, the house's roof. The house roof. The roof of the house. It is correct. It is wrong. Another example, the chair's leg. It is wrong. The legs of the chair. It is correct. So, of genitive form of noun used for noun, non-living things. Okay? Then, next, there is some exceptions. Okay? Next, S genitive and of genitive. There are some exceptions. We use both S and of genitive when it refers humanized things. Okay? Humanize things. Okay? So, both genitive carries S and of. Both nouns carries S and of genitive. Because they like or say given humanized things. What is humanized things? It is non-living things, but it refers human quality. Human quality. जड़ वस्तु किंतु मानवीय गुण नहीं प्रकाश करिता बा वर्णना करा जाय. फॉर एग्जांपल से okay, flowers are dancing. It is non-living thing, but it refers, it indicates human quality. Okay, so that is humanized things. Sun, non-living things, but it refers human quality. are giving human quality. Sun is smiling. So that is human things. So where S genitive or say of genitive refers humanized things, at that time both S and of genitives are used. For example, the top speed of the car, correct? The car's top speed, correct? It is mainly used for advertising. In advertisements, you will see in the journals or newspapers. Okay, so it is mainly used for advertising. The father of the bride, correct? The bride's father, correct? The content of the website, correct? The website's content, correct? Okay? So, this is the exceptions. Okay? Next, uses of genitive form of noun. If a noun indicates times, as genitive form of noun is used. For example, she has applied a week's leave. The first time, so as genitive form of noun is used. Have you read yesterday's paper? The first time, so as genitive is used. Point 2. If a noun indicates place, as genitive form of noun is used. He is at his uncle's house. Place, uncle's house. England's boast. Boast means proud. England's boast. India's freedom. That refers place. Okay. Point 3. Noun expressing weight. 5 kilos of kilos weight. 5 kilos weight. 4 pounds weight. So it expresses weight. At that time, as genitive is used. Point 4. As genitive is used with the personified things. What does personified things means? They are giving human qualities. They refer human qualities. At that time, as genitive is used. Okay, nature's law, sorrows, tears, America's heroes, India's sins. Okay, so it refers non-living things, but giving human qualities. At that time, as genitive is used. Correct? As genitive is used. Okay? Next. Point 5. Nouns signifying shorter, dignified objects. At that time, as genitive form is used. What is signifying? To be important. What is dignified? Showing dignity. Okay? The sun's rays. Okay? The river's bend. Dignified. The moon's crescent. Crescent means waning moon. Moon is say that is waning moon. Ardha Chandra. Okay, curved moon. Okay, so moon's crescent. Next, with compound nouns. Suppose my brother-in-law, my sister-in-law, my daughter-in-law, my father-in-law, my mother-in-law. Okay, at that time, my brother-in-law's brother, my sister-in-law's daughter. In compound noun, it is correct. As genitive form of a noun is used. Next, after initial of nouns, initial, okay, the PM secretary, Prime Minister's secretary, PM secretary, CM's escorts, Chief Minister's escorts, at the time it is correct. Initial nouns. Next, the genitive ships can be used with any head word. Ship's captain, ship's cabin, ship's doctor. Okay? So, at that time, as genitive form is used. Next, point 9. If a noun is plural without adding s or es, there is no s or es at the end of the word. As genitive is used. This is a children's park. Children. Plural number. There is no s or es. At that time, s genitive is used. Similarly, a child's voice is nice. Correct. The woman's bags are lost. Correct. Okay. But question is that when there is s or es is added at the end of the noun, at that time only apostrophe is used. Suppose the girls' school is closed. Girls, ladies. Okay. Because s is added in that noun to make plural number. So when a noun added with s or es, at that time only apostrophe is used, not genitive form. Okay? It is correct. It is mainly comes from the competitive examination. Next, when two nouns indicate common possession, as genitive is used, added to the latter one. But when they indicate separate possession, as genitive is used, added to the each one of them. Okay? So it refers, that is common possession, and it refers separate possession. In common possession, that is one, it is one person. One person. Okay? Sunita and Babita's mother, one person. Okay? Sunita's and Babita's mother, two person. Two person. Okay? So, watch this video till the end. You'll know something. Thanks to all who are watching my video. Please not to forget, subscribe, like and share it. Okay?